Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Price analysis: BTC, ETH, BNB, XRP, ADI, SOL, DOC, Dotchip, Matic, crypto traders expect a range expansion once the Jackson Hole Symposium is complete and the Fed's perspective on inflation, interest rate hikes, and the health of the economy are made public. Price analysis: on August 23, a team led by Goldman Sachs chief economist Jan Hatzius said that the Chair Jerome Powell called around the fish when he speak on August 26, reiterating that the central bank may move at slower pace in future meetings. The analysis expects the Fed to raise rates by 50 basis points in the September meeting, which would be less than the 75 bps hike done in June and July. Daily cryptocurrency market performance: although the short-term price action remains uncertain, on-chain data suggests that Bitcoin may be undervalued, meaning it could provide strong returns if history repeats itself, according to Jarvis Lab resident analysis Double J. Bitcoin's market capitalization versus realized capitalization indicator reading is at its lowest level since 2015. Bitcoin's bottom in 2015 and 2019 formed when the indicator set a low reading, but it has reached extremely low levels in 2022. What are the critical levels to watch on the upside and the downside? Let's study the chart of the top 10 cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin market capitalization versus realized level since 2015. Bitcoin's reading is at its lowest since 2015. Bitcoin bottom in 2015 and 2019 format when the indicator reached a low reading, but it has reached extremely low level in 2022. Delivered every Monday. Subscribe to Market Outlook newsletter email address. Subscribe by subscribing. You agree to our terms of service and privacy policy. Bitcoin has been trading near the support line of the ascending channel since August 19. Although the bulls have defended the support successfully, they have only to achieve a strong rebound of it. This indicates that demand drives up at higher levels. BTC or USDT daily chart source trending view. The 20-day exponential moving average has started to turn down and the relative strength index is near 41, indicating that bears have a slight edge as the price breaks below the support line of the channel. The selling called intensive and the BTC or USDT pair called drop to $80 to invalidate that in a negative view, the bulls will have to push and sustain the price above the moving average. If they do that, it will suggest that the pair could generally climb to the resistance line of the channel near $26. The bulls are aggressively defending the 50-day simple moving average as seen from the long fell on the August 22 and 23 candlestick. ETH or USDT daily chart. Contrary to these ambitions, if the price turns down from the overhead resistance, it will suggest the bears are attempting to flip the 20 the EMA into resistance. The pair could then remain stuck between the moving average for a few more days. If the price breaks below the 50-day SMA and the $1,000 support, the selling could pick up momentum and the pair may plummet toward the strong support. At high, squeeze is usually followed by an expansion in volatility, but it's difficult to predict the direction of the breakout with certainty. Therefore, it is better to wait for the breakout to happen before initiating various positions. Daily card short trading view: if the price turns up from the current level and break above the BNB pair could rest toward the overhead resistance and $300 such a move will form an inverse head and shoulders patterns which will complete on break and close above 30 130 a dollar. If that happens, the pair could rally to 420 or then $460, the pattern target of this bullish setup. Although the price turns down sharply from the current level, the pair could drop to a breach below this level will complete a head and shoulders pattern. The pair could this line to and later to 212. Maybe that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.